In this video, I will show you how to add an end screen on a YouTube video. So let's get straight into it. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to load up a video on my channel and I'm just going to show you what an end screen is and what you can basically do with it. So I'm going to use this one as an example. So an end screen, if I skip to the end of my video, this is what an end screen looks like. So you can see I've actually added a pop-up which is going to give you the option to subscribe to the channel, and there's also a playlist as well. So you can add multiple features, you can add like links to other videos and things like that. It's very easy to do. So what you want to do is obviously make sure you're logged into your account, and when you actually upload a video onto YouTube, it's going to take you through an upload process where you add things like your description. So what I'm going to do is just add a video here to show you exactly how to add an end screen. So I'm just going to go through the process. So what you would do is upload your video as normal, then you would fill in the basic details, obviously your description and things like that. Then once that's done, you're going to want to click onto next, and that's going to take you across to a second section called video elements. So this way you can actually add an end screen. So you can see the option here, and all you need to do is click onto the add button here. And what you can do is add certain elements to the end screen. So you can actually add like a video or subscribe button. And to add it, all you need to do is just, you've got these preset templates by YouTube. So you can use any of those, but you can also customize these further. So all you need to do is just select any one of these. So I'm just going to use this one as an example. And what you can do is actually move this around on screen like so. So you can put this wherever you want, and you can add additional elements. So if you click onto the plus element button up here, you'll see you can add things like a video, a playlist, subscribe channel or link. And of course you can add those and move those around as you want to. So if you want to add an end video to any pre-existing videos, again, the process is very simple. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you're in your studio. Then you want to come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto content, which is going to bring up all your videos. So from here, what you can do is just hover over the video that you want to add an end screen to, and then you just want to click this pencil icon which says details. And this is going to take you into the details of the video. So you can edit things from here, like obviously your description and thumbnails and things like this. But if you look to this menu on the right hand side, you just want to scroll down the page a bit and you'll see the end screen option here. All you want to do is give that a click, and this is where you can come to actually add an end screen. So you just follow the same process as I've just shown you. So you want to select a template and add some elements. What if you want to add like a subscribe button, for example, and of course move it about to where you want it. And once that's done, just click the save button in the top right hand corner to save the end screen to your video. From there, that will automatically be saved. You don't have to do anything further. So the next time someone goes onto that video, they will be presented with the end screen. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if you did find this helpful, please leave a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then make sure you click the on-screen pop-up, and that's going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.